that looks off. Well, hey everybody, happy National Craft Month. It is March 7th and we're going to make a junk journal tri-fold diagonal pocket. You could make it whichever size that you would like to make it, but it's a really fun and different kind of pocket to add to your junk journal. So I thought I would try that today with you. And I have right here the Vintage Diaries paper pad from Sarah Davies. It's a collection that she did a year ago, maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know. Anyway, I still have it. It's beautiful, and I am going to use a sheet out of that, plus some of the vintage stickers and stuff that I had purchased and some other things. So it'll be fun to create together. National Craft Month. Don't forget about the giveaway on the March 1st video. It's linked below. You have to go and enter craft giveaway, those 2 words, in the description of the March 1st video to be entered for one of those fantastic 12 prizes back there that is on my table. They are amazing. The drawing is March 31st and all the details and everything are below, but also in the March 1st video, which is where you want to go. And yes, I'm Cindy A. Lewis. Did I say that? I don't even know, but I'm excited to craft with you today, and I hope you'll stick around for this fun tri-fold diagonal pocket. The first thing you want to do is decide on your papers and decorations, which you may already have a theme, and so that's no problem. I think we'll just use this pretty page. There's all kinds of pretty pages in this. It's really hard to use them, but I know that I'm going to have to. So I'm going to set that aside. And really all we're going to do is we're going to decide how tall we want our pocket to be. So however tall your pages are in your junk journal, you don't want it to be any taller than that. And then you want to be able to fold it evenly with 2 folds to make a tri-fold. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trim this down. We'll just trim it down. Let's see. We'll trim down this side. And we're going to make it about 6 inches. And then we're going to cut this to 9 inches. So it'll be 6 by 9. So this is my 6 by 9, and this is how I'm going to cut my pocket. But because I want it to be even, I'm going to score it. I'm going to go ahead and flip over my We Are Memory Keepers all-in-one scoring tool. I'm just going to do that so that I get it even. So at 9 inches, I'm going to score at 3. And I'm just going to do it a couple times, and then I'm going to score at 6. Right on the edge there. You can also flip it over if you need to. All right, now the key to this is cutting. So what you want to do is line up your point here, and I'm going pretty fast, but we're just jumping right into this tri-fold pocket. Is you're going to line up your point here on your cutting strip, slide your paper under, and line up your bottom pocket right here. I mean your bottom point here and point here. So that's where we're going to cut. And I'm just going to pull that up. All right, so I actually am making 2, right? So I've got this one and this one. I don't need my scoreboard all-in-one trimmer anymore, unless you wanted to round your corners, which you definitely could do. But what I want to do is also vintagize my paper. So before I do anything else, I like to do that with some brown or a cocoa color ink. I use the dye ink pad because I like it to dry quickly. And I just use a homemade blending tool. It's just what I have at hand. And I go around all the sides, top, bottom, and sides, because I like this old vintage look. And I call it vintagizing just because that's what I call it. I don't know if it's actually a word, but I am going to make t-shirts with it on there one of these days. All right. So now double-sided paper is your friend in this if you want to do that. Now what you want to do is decide which is going to be the front or which way you want your paper to look. So you fold it whichever way you decide. It can be this way You can see how it's coming together already, or you can fold it this way. So whichever way you want. Now I prefer the other way just because I want to see more of this, this side of the paper. And then I've got this. So I am going to take my color, make sure I get those. Now this is already coming together. So that is your basic trifold. You've got a pocket here, and you can make this a pocket when you attach it to your junk journal. It's that simple. So I'm just going to take some of my double stick tape that I have right here. I have the finger lift tape, so I'm just going to use that. It's really easy, but you can use whichever you like. And I'm just going to run it here at the bottom to be the bottom for this one. And this is going to be more of a tuck spot than it is going to be a true pocket, but it is because it's going to hold right there. Then I need to put some here, and you can use, you know, glue if you want to. I just like to use double stick tape on pockets just so the glue doesn't seep out and I get to use it faster. So I'm just going to put that there, and then that's my pocket. That's simple, that easy. Now all I have to do is decorate. So let's go ahead and let's take some of this. I have an old dictionary, and that really, I thought that would look good, but I guess it does. Let's look what some papers that are in here. And this is what I got from Amazon, and looks like, oh, that's pretty. Let's see, this kind of has a lot of reds, peach, is more green. So, oh, I like that butterfly. That's pretty. That one's pretty. Oh, and this is pretty too. Oh, it's hard to decide. So hard to decide. So here's our cute pocket. Really love it. Love the design and the paper. And then when you cut your page, you get 2 pockets, so which is awesome. So then you can just take some stickers or some ephemera and tags, and then you can just put them in your pockets, in your tuck spots. And here's just some stickers that I have. Or you could take any of these little gems that come with your pad, any of your, you know, purchases that you make, and put them in your pockets and use them for writing or whatever. And then also, if you are making it to give away, you could do like ephemera folder type thing. And then stickers too. And then you can put whatever you want back here. And so there you go. That was easy peasy, a fun March 7th National Craft Month video for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you will come back tomorrow. Don't forget to go enter to win in the craft giveaway on March 1st video. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.